Oil hair strands before washing with coconut oil. Instead of using hot water, opt for lukewarm water to wet your hair. Mix the shampoo with a small amount of water before applying it. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips, avoiding excessive squeezing of your hair. Apply shampoo to the roots and conditioner to the tips of your hair. Rinse your hair with cold water. Avoid tight hairstyles that pull on your hair. Use claw clips instead of rubber bands and hair ties. Choose sulfate-free shampoo. Keep your hair moisturized by using liquid oil and cream. When drying your hair, use a microfiber towel or a t-shirt. Whenever possible, allow your hair to air dry naturally. Consider massaging your scalp for 10 minutes using oils like coconut oil, argan oil, or olive oil. Use a bamboo comb for healthier hair. Avoid brushing wet hair, as it is more fragile. Trim your hair ends every week. Utilize natural ingredients like black soap, natural oils, and flaxseed. Limit the use of heat styling products. Aim to wash your hair 3 times a week. Create loose braids before bedtime. Incorporate onions and garlic into your diet for hair health. Eggs and avocados are excellent for promoting healthy hair. Consider taking vitamins such as biotin, folic acid, omega-3, and fish oil. Use a silk pillowcase for your hair. Avoid nail biting to maintain healthy nails. Wear gloves when washing dishes. To whiten your nails, rub lemon on them and rinse with lukewarm water. Apply cuticle oil or olive oil to nourish your nails. Try rubbing garlic on your nails to encourage nail growth. Always apply a base coat before applying nail polish. Choose nail polish that doesn't contain harsh chemicals. Apply Vaseline and take vitamins for nail care.